Hello everyone. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. And this is my kitty cat. This is Monroe. Monroe, guess what we're going to do today? We're going to change a Kohler flapper in the toilet again. We just did a Kohler flapper, how long ago? Can you tell me? 15 months ago. And I keep telling the missus not to put in chlorine tablets. So guess what's leaking again? The flapper. So stay tuned while I go out to the truck and get the parts and fix my own toilet again. You believe this? Are you a satisfied kitty? Here's my other kitty. Do you know your mommy keeps ruining the toilets? Oh, look what we have here. Something else we're not supposed to be using. Baby wipes. We already been over that. Just like we've been over the chlorine tablets. But here I am again, fixing the toilet. So the toilet keeps leaking because, oh, there it is right there. See that chlorine tablet? All it does is break down the rubber. See the rubber? It's starting to curl already. This is only a year. Marcy, this is only a year and a half old, not even. August 17. I just happen to have one of these on my truck. And here's how you can tell your toilet's leaking. See all the dirty water stain on the flush valve? So here's what we'll do. We're going to take this out. Put that in the trash. Authentic Kohler parts. Now we just need some authentic cooperation from the missus. I'm personally tired of working on Kohler toilets because I gotta keep adjusting this ball here. I can never get it right. So I counted 10 chain links. I'm gonna go 12. Well, I went 9. You go 10. Okay. Alright, we went 11. So we'll go 11. We're going to copy the other repair that I did. And this is multiple repairs on this Kohler toilet, which is very annoying. And on the outside we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14. 14 on the clip. Here's the test. Forgot to hook the other leg. Alright, let's give it a test. Now, plumbers out. Plumbing apprentices. Here's a little lesson. Every car has a license plate. Every vehicle has a VIN number, correct? Well, every toilet has a identification number also, and it's always in the back of the tank. Right here is for this toilet, a K4620-DA. That is how you identify all your toilets, in the back of the toilet. Now, the old toilets are actually made out of China, where it's actually scribed in. Alright, here we go. Another toilet flapper replacement, Marcy. And what are you not going to put back in the toilet? Here we go. No more bleach tablets, correct? Till Monday. No. So we're not supposed to have these here, but guess what? Can't have this. We still have them. Tablets, put them back in the toilet. The best way to tell if your flapper is working, you'll see water running. That means your flapper is bad still, or your overflow is overflowing. When this toilet fills up, you will see how it should be. Oh, there it is, slowing down. It just filled up. Now the tank's settling down, and that's it. There's no movement of any leaking water. There it is. I just fixed the toilet, so I'm going to confirm that the same toilet was fixed right here. I made a video on a Kohler toilet repair back in August 2017. So again, the chlorine tablets or bleach tablets do nothing but break down your authentic Kohler parts. In my opinion, that Kohler part would break down that quickly. So with that, we'll see if we learn a lesson, and we'll see if the missus cooperates. Until then, get the next one, and hopefully it's not in my own house.